Trick to determine aldol condensation product. In today's video, I am going to explain you the trick to determine the aldol condensation product. But before this, let me tell you what is aldol condensation. When aldehydes or ketones with at least one alpha hydrogen react in presence of dilute alkali as catalyst to form beta hydroxyaldehydes aldol or beta hydroxyketones ketol, it is known as aldol condensation reaction. A must thing to remember here in this reaction is another molecule of the same compound reacts to give the product. Consider, for example, we have two molecules of ethanaldehyde and we write it down separately on the paper like this. Now, since we know this is a condensation reaction, we will remove a water molecule. So here comes the trick. We will take an oxygen atom from the first molecule and two hydrogen atoms from the second molecule, removing a molecule of H2O. So the product becomes CH3, C, H, double bond, CH and C double bond O, H. Here we need to focus that after removing an oxygen from the first molecule and two hydrogen from the second molecule, an hydrogen remains in the first molecule and another hydrogen remains in the second molecule, and do not need to remove it, giving the product but2-enol. Now taking another example of a ketone, propanol. We take two molecules of propanol and draw its structure. If you have understood the trick, try to find out the product yourself. Now again, using the same trick, we remove an oxygen from the first molecule and two hydrogen atoms from the second molecule, giving the product CH3, C, and the CH3 will come down and the double bond, again CH, C double bond O and CH3. So now you understand that the CH3 came down in the ketone group and giving the product 4-methyl pent 3-en-2-one. Many might have a question that where does the double bond come from? It comes from the first molecule of either the aldehyde or a ketone and becomes the central double bond. So guys, I hope after this video you won't leave any question of the aldol condensation. If you like the video, do like, share and subscribe.